Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back to the backyard, guys. Stuff, flowers are doing beautiful. Look at how beautiful is this grape middle, guys. There was two. For some reason, my mom cut this one by mistake. Cause in spring, they look, sometimes they can look like really dead and they not die. They just acting that way. But look at how beautiful are they. Very beautiful. But I still have her, but she just cut way down right here. And then I have that beautiful flower on the back right here. And I have her in blue, and I also have her in white. I mean, it's really nice specimen right here. This is the backyard, guys, all the way in. And that mulberry tree, guys, she's going crazy. I hope I can bring her out with me. I'm gonna branch her and bring her with me because I'm not leaving her, guys. And there's a big mango tree on the ground right here. And there's more stuff right here, guys. So for some reason, guys, this grapes doing really good this year. Look at her. Really good. Ooh. I've been snacking on her. Oh my God. She's big. Those mango tree, guys, she only have 2 seeds. She's really big, guys. Big grapes. Look at this. And I got some flowers, guys. I keep pulling. And they yeah, they put them in pots. Those are some grape middle seed will grow. I just bring them, put them in pots and sieve them. And that's why there are a couple of them. They dry. And look at that beautiful flower, guys. She's a 4 o'clock. Very beautiful. Guys, thank God I have some land and all of them going with me. We see herself everywhere, but I don't mind. Oh, oh, Jesus. It was so good to me. And I love you very much, sweet Lord. Let me check what the bird or after. The cats need food. And those one or. And they got some eggs for some reason. I think the eggs not fed us. And they're not laying something. The eggs not turning out a baby, guys. That's the thing, and that's my patio, guys. I have so much dream, guys. For this, guys, there's a lot of good news coming. Good news coming out. Thank you, friend, for watching.